TVE is about traditional value and ethics. In this, basically, this system is linked to the traditional cultural practices which are going to be done in any particular area or any particular region of the country. And during this process, it also evolves the concept of scared species, because means the species which are going to be lost from the few years and which must be lost within coming few years also. These are scared species. Space, forest, water bodies like dams, ponds, rivers, etc. And these practices also involves the seasonality based restrictions, like जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे क्या क्या होती है, restriction होती है फिशिंग के जब उनका ब्रीडिंग सीजन होता है, मीन्स when there is a season that more number of fishes जो बर्थ लेंगे उस टाइम के ऊपर जो फिशिंग है, ठीक है, इसको क्या करा जाता है, रिस्ट्रिक्शन करा जाता है. लाइक these जो प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, these practices also comes under TVE system. Sometimes institutions are developed to manage human habitation, controlling human practices related to health and sanitation. So basically, that how we can avoid the entry of human beings to control such problem. This also comes under the category of TVE system. And this will also have to identify the prospects for the future, adopting lifestyle, habitat management, environment, natural resource management, wildlife protection also. That is how we can protect the animals which are present in forests. So basically, like we can say that if we stop hunting of these animals, then we can say that we can secure these scarce species or these scarce animals.